In our last video, we looked at how to actually run our Python application, which basically was Python manage.py run server. This allowed us to actually check out our application at port 8000. Okay, so you might however have noticed that we have all these errors here. Now errors are never a good thing, so we want to see how we can sort it out. And you can see that voila, Python provides us with a way of doing that, which is Python manage.py migrate. Now migration is all about the databases. Let's actually run this to see how that would have played out. So manage.py help migrate. So we're looking to the documentation for this particular command. However, first we're just going to run it. So then manage.py and then migrate. Alright, so this was the process that Python was going to do for us. So synchronize all apps that are not yet migrated. You look into this later, and then of course the ones that exist. So apps that exist are the ones that actually ship with Python directly. You might have heard that Python says comes with batteries included. Well, this is what they actually meant. So let's try run our server again, see what happens. Right, so now things are okay. However, what happened to our project? Let's look. For starters, now we have something here, DB SQLite. This is a new file, but I've actually noted that this is actually not a Python file. This is an SQLite file. You might look into what SQLite is. It's SQLite. SQLite is an SQL type of database, but one that is file based, usually appropriate when you want to launch particularly small projects, and it's actually perfect for our development work. So we can quickly see how SQL looks like. I encourage you to actually look at this because it's quite very good. The tutorial that we have on W3 School, you can look at all that and what it takes to actually run an SQL type of database. Now to understand migrations, I have a post on the same where you can look at what actually Django is doing for you. And it's basically doing this. It's actually just versioning your database. So you might want to look at this on my blog. It's just blog.chentatech.com. You might look at into the post called yes, you should version your database, and so forth. Alright, so I think that's clear. Let's do that. Let's make sure that our application has been migrated.